All right, in this video, we're going to tell you why Shiba Inu could be the next big gainer from sub-penny to the moon, as well as talk about where and how to invest in Shiba. Let's take a look at some of the sentiment out there and what others are saying about Shiba Inu before we get into how and where to get it. The most optimistic bull thesis surrounding Shiba is that it's worth a tiny investment. The caveat to that thought is that investors should anticipate that investment petering out. It happens. There's massive upside though, but a few thought exercises show why a minimal investment is wise, if anything at all. I'll start off by noting that I believe Shiba is a more worthwhile investment than Dogecoin, and I'll just leave it at that. Don't invest much though. I say that despite the case I'll lay out, which denotes the extraordinary returns that are still possible. The reason Shiba Inu holds a lure for the investing world is its rock bottom price. It costs 0.000078, 5 zeros, 78 cents for a single Shiba Inu token. That's phenomenally low price for just about anything. It's a number we're not even used to seeing around, especially on something that's going to be trading on Webull. There is no altcoins with that low a value on Webull. There must be a reason it's going to be on there, right? Webull's pretty selective about this process, so I don't know. It's got my attention. Okay, so if we do some quick math, we'll see what it actually means in the numbers that we could truly grasp, right? You take $1 of capital directed towards Shiba Inu, you'll have 128,205 Shiba Inu tokens. So at $5 in the current prices, you could become the owner of 641,205 Shiba Inu tokens at the current price. Double that investment and you'll control well over 1 million tokens. Sounds like a good deal. Okay, while that math is interesting, what investors really want to know about is the return. There too, the numbers tell a very interesting story. Like big gains, actually. According to Coinbase, Shiba Inu's price has appreciated an astounding 5,197,928% over the last year. That again is a number we're not used to seeing. Okay, let's put that into easily digestible numbers. An investor who directed $1 of capital towards Shiba Inu a year ago would now have $51,979. $1 a year ago, Shiba Inu, you'd have $51,979 for $1. I wouldn't mind having $51,979. I mean, that's a phenomenal and staggering thought. Let's be honest. 1 year ago, Shiba Inu was trading at an even less comprehensible value of like 0.000000000 repeating, I don't know, 157 cents. Okay. It was insane. The reason that the token can return such staggering gains is that it trades at staggeringly low prices. That same thought exercise for $1 of investment I mentioned before is even more astounding. $1 would have bought an investor 6.39 billion Shiba tokens a year earlier. It now buys 128,205 Shiba tokens. Gains, son. Proceed with caution though. The general maxim associated with all investing holds doubly true here. The numbers I just outlined, they're attractive. I could understand if they cause someone to go out and put some capital towards Shiba. I get it. But let's take a more meaningful chunk of capital, say $10,000, and see what happens if we time the market poorly. On May 9th of this year, Shiba Inu reached 0.0003503 cents. It's all-time high. That hypothetical $10,000 invested at that point would have depreciated very quickly. In the span of just a few short months, it would have dropped 77.73% in value. That means that $10,000 would now be worth $2,227. Any portfolio manager returning those kind of numbers wouldn't have that job very long. And few, if any, are investing in Shiba Inu for that case. But the point remains, there's risk there. I bring all this up because Webull is now beta testing Shiba Inu. It is the time to get in. There is a reason that Webull selected this altcoin to be on Webull. Not every coin gets to be added to Webull. It's a big deal. At least I consider it to be. There's no coins at that value on Webull just yet. and it's going to be easier and easier to trade now. I don't know. For me, not financial advice, but me personally, I'm signing up for the Webull beta, and it's about to go live soon. I mean, personally, I love Webull. You know, it features 0% commission. There's multiple ways to invest on Webull. Stocks, cryptos, ETFs, options, fractional shares. It has it all the information, ton of videos, charts, everything you need. I mean, for me, Webull is the king of trading apps. Also, if you sign up for Webull, you get 2 free stocks, and sometimes they could be nice. All right, they've given away Tesla, they've given away Apple stock. It's real. I mean, this is just my personal opinion. This is just what I think of Shiba Inu. I personally think they have a great community. I think it's a great price. Honestly, it's just an investment that I can't beat. My name is Westside. I'm live on the channel every day, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have a ton of great hosts. Check us out right now. We're live right now. Just click that channel button. And don't forget to trade with Webull. You're missing out if you're not using Webull. It is literally the king of trading apps right now. 0 commission, 0 minimum deposits, free real-time quotes, in-depth charts, analyst ratings, financial calendars, everything. It tells you when the IPOs are coming out, tells you when the earnings reports are coming out. Multi-platform accessibility, multi-platform accessibility. And whatever you got, Android, Apple, it'll work for you. And full hours of trading, the full extended hours of trading, pre-market and after hours. You know, I love that nightlife. I got to have my after hours trading. That's where my gain's coming from. And there's also 24/7 online help. They're here to help you. I love Webull, and I really feel like, I kind of feel like they're looking out for me, and they're not trying to rip me off like maybe some other apps out there. I'm not gonna name no names. The takeaway here should be that I hope the hypothetical exercises I've laid out here show that Shiba Inu is risky, but a worthwhile investment. To some, $10,000 might represent a small chunk of capital, which won't mean much if it's lost. To others, the number is different. It's difficult to even find information on the utility of Shiba Inu tokens. I didn't even indicate anything regarding to that in this video. The only case here is just playing the numbers. If that's alluring based on the math I've laid out, then do so with an amount of money that won't hurt you. Only invest in what you're willing to lose. Gains, son. Gains, son. Gains, son.